everybody, it's Renee with Eat, Evolve, and Inspire, and I'm in the middle of prepping one of my favorite meals right now. I don't have an exact name for it, but I'm just going to show you some of the components of it, and we'll put this together little by little. So this pan right here is grated celery root. It's one of my favorite vegetables, and you'll see it looks like kind of cheese grated down. And I'm just sauteing it in a little bit of coconut oil. I've got some black pepper, and I put some parsley in there as well. In this pan over here, I've got two kinds of onions. I love the flavor of leeks combined with the sharpness of shallots. So I'm using two types of onions in this dish. Leeks and onions, I'm going to brown those just a little bit more, leeks and shallots. And back here, I'm making a sauce that I'm going to pour over this whole casserole. The base of the sauce is coconut cream, and this is my favorite brand. I've only been able to find it online because it's the cleanest I've been able to find anywhere short of little frozen packages. I get mine on Amazon. It's got a little bit of chicken stock in there, black pepper, and a teeny bit of goat blue cheese to add some bite to the mildness of everything that's going on here. So this will all be ready shortly, and then I've got another phase to put together before we're done with the casserole. Thanks for watching.